Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about fundamental theorem of arithmetic. So what is fundamental theorem of arithmetic? Every composite number can be expressed as a product of primes मतलब prime number, and this factorization is unique. So first, what is composite number? Composite number it is positive number which is not prime, means have factor other than 1 and itself. And what are prime number? Prime number which have factor 1 and number itself. Okay. Now in theorem it is given that the factors are unique. Since if we have to find the factors of 24, then it comes 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Into 3. Unique means there is no other way to write 24 except using these prime numbers. Means there is only way to write 24 is 2 की power 3 into 3. These two prime numbers are used for writing 24, prime factorizations of 24. Okay. Now coming to the examples and use of this theorem. This theorem is used to find the SCF and LCM of a number. Suppose we have to find LCM suppose we have to find the SCF and LCM of two numbers, LCM and SCF of 6 and 20. Then what we have to first do is find the factors of these two. Then 6 is equal to 2 into 3 and 20 equal to 2 into 2 into 5. These are the prime factorization of 6 and 20. Now the SCF of 6, 20 is 2. In SCF we have to see the highest common factor. So in this 2, common factor is only 2. So SCF is 2. And in LCM we have to see the lowest common factors. So in 6 and 12 we have 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Since 2 come twice here, we have taken only one time. So LCM is 60. Now there is a relation between LCM, SCF and given numbers. What is this relation? If two numbers A and B is given, then LCM A comma B into SCF A comma B equal to A into B. So this equation is used when we have given any of the numbers and LCM and SCF of both the number, we can find the second number, or any of three quantities are given, we can find the fourth one. Okay, thank you. If you like this, keep sharing.